Hello friends, if you already know the English language and right now you are working on advanced level, you are learning the English language on advanced level, and how can you improve your English language by doing the practice on daily basis? On what topics you can do the practice? I will give you some suggestions in this video, so please stay with me in this video, watch this video till end, so that you never miss any point which is discussed in this video. Actually, if you have learned English language from basics and right now you are learning advanced level of English, you can do the practice on daily basis by discussing on different kind of topics, such as one day you can discuss on politics. You can discuss about politics, kinds of politics, what is the situation of politics in your country, and in politics you know that the kinds of governments, you know that there are different kinds of governments: democracy, monarchy, kingdom, so many other kinds. You can discuss on those topics. In this way you would get the knowledge and you will also improve the English language. When you finish discussing on politics, in next day you can discuss on education, the system of education in your country. Two system education, private school educations and government school education. What is the difference between these two? You can make a difference and you can also give your suggestions. You can talk about the quality of education in your country. You can discuss about other countries, what is the system of their countries in education, and what is the importance of education. And in next day you can discuss on religion. You know that there are different kinds of religions in the world. First of all, you can discuss on your own religion, what merits in your religion. Then you can discuss on different religions. You can make a difference between different kind of religions. You can give the knowledge to other people about different kind of religions. Simple definition, very short definition. In this way you can discuss on religion and you can get the knowledge about your religion and also about other religions. After this, if you want to improve yourself, then in next day you can discuss on business, that which kind of business is good for you. What is the condition of business in your country, your area? Are the businessmen are doing good dealings or not? And if a new person is willing to start his business, you can give suggestions to that person that what kind of business might be good, or where he or she should invest. So the merits and demerits of the business you can discuss in your speech. In the same way, in other days you can discuss on sports, which kind of sports you are interested in. You can discuss about the games of your childhood, which kind of games you used to play in your childhood, and what is the national game of your country. You can also state, you can also tell others about your favorite players, about your favorite games. In the same way, in next day you can discuss on art and culture. What is the condition of art and culture in your country? Whether art and culture is promoted in your country or not. You can also discuss about your favorite artists, famous actors of your country, the famous actors of international level, in which language they are producing the movies or dramas, which kind of dramas are shown in your country, which kind of plays you are interested in, and what are your suggestions about art and culture, about you can say that movie industry or drama industry, what improvement are required. There are so many topics you can discuss on a daily basis. You can make the schedule of 7 days, that on Monday you will discuss on politics, on Tuesday you can discuss on business, on Wednesday you can discuss on sports, Thursday you can discuss on art and culture, Friday you can discuss on politics, so on. So if you are interested to improve yourself in English language, there are so many topics to discuss. And when you will discuss on different kind of topics, then you will improve your English on advanced level. You would know the new words, new sentences. As when you discuss on politics, you will know about politics. When you discuss on religion, you will know about religion. Sports, you will know about sports. Art, culture, you will know about that field. In this way, you will improve your English language on advanced level. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.